So guys, update. I broke this part. Yeah, so let me just see if you can see properly. Yeah, so I broke this part, unfortunately, because I ran out of patience. I couldn't really play around anymore. It was like that. Let's presume. Oh yeah, actually it was like that. Was it not? Yeah, that was just sitting outside. Yeah, exactly. So that's how it was. So I broke it, and now so what I'm showing you is that there are two screws underneath this arch, if you like. So if you get access to this, remove this, you just have to pry it and then remove it, and then you will have access to two screws up here. Then obviously you will be able to get access. Oh yeah, there you go, the cover came off. So yeah, that's what I was struggling with earlier. Well, hey, better learn late and then nothing. Better you learn and live, or yeah, so better late than never. So as I said before, so I've obviously found a way to open this up, and I actually obviously ran out of patience and I broke it. And so this was sitting this way, these arches, and you just have to actually pry this one, the yellow piece, or whichever the color that you are dealing with, and then there are two screws sitting here, and you will see exactly, and then you can get access to this unit, and then the housing comes off very easily. And we've got 3 screws, actually more screws to be fair, because we are going to remove this one. So we have one is holding the housing, and then we've got 1 2 3 4 5 6 actually holding this thermal piece, I believe. So I do not know if I have enough battery to capture and take apart the whole thing, but I'll do my best, and at the very least we can capture one end. So it's going to be pretty identical to the other, isn't it? So you should be able to figure out. And yeah, let's see what's inside in here. By the way, I'm not putting this back, so if you are looking for me to put this one, or if you're waiting for me to put this back together, won't be happening. So yeah, sorry to disappoint you. I'm just disassembling this unit now. Okay, so this rubber part and the hinge the hinge was connected from this metal screw. So, and then this is the thermal unit, and yeah, and I do not know if you can disconnect this cable. We'll see. Yeah, you see the thermal part here. Do you see that? So that's the thermal bit, which is intact. I am assuming it's not actually disconnecting from here. I need a light in here, more light. Yeah, I don't think it's actually there. No, it's not there. You see, it's not disconnecting from there. You probably will be, but I don't. Oh. Okay. Oh, did I snap anything? This is what happens. Okay. I don't think I snapped. But there were 2 silver pins, so now it's very clear. You see, this is what you see. So this is the thermal, and it's not. There is no any clip to disconnect the cables. So the power source is just runs through directly. So yeah, okay. The problem is now I do not know how to put this one back together. Well, it's gonna take some time for me to figure that out, but at least for now I'm just going to leave it. So let's just say, I'm assuming this was sitting somewhere here. Yeah, okay, I will figure that out. But I think, yeah, that's about it really. And so obviously it's going to be identical to this end. What I want is actually disconnect, disassembly the cable completely, because it is just holding things back, because also the wire is weighing down. So let me see if I can also do that pretty quickly. Yeah, I'm assuming you have to pry from here. Gently. If you can get in from this end, I think you'll be fine. I have to say, it's pretty plasticky than I expected, because obviously given it's very expensive unit, I would expect them to be metal, but maybe it is a safety feature. I'm not too sure, but yeah. So anyways, you see under the weight it just actually crumbles, so it's pretty weak if you ask me. There you go. So it came off. You can see, I believe, the model number or something, and then you have so this clip is actually sitting there, and then you have the screw, one screw. So this is what I was saying earlier. So you have one screw sitting there. So if you do remove that, yep, there you go. So this comes apart very easily, and then you have something which was sitting there, which I didn't find it on the other end, but maybe there was, maybe there wasn't, I'm not too sure. So anyways, so we've got the housing again, and I'm not going to actually take this one apart, because I do think that is unnecessary and it's just going to be too much parts, but because I want to keep things a bit tidy up, and I just want to get rid of the cable first, because otherwise it's just too messy. So this is the screw that act as a hinge, I think. It's pretty long and holds the rubbery type of a clip in the middle, which actually prevents the water going in, I believe, if I can access that. Come on. Yep, there you go. And so I think this rubbery clip should... oh yeah, it's actually glued to the sides, so you could actually do that and it will come off. So yeah, there you go. So this part is actually glued and then holding with from these two screws, hinges, and syringes. So yeah, and that's the bit, and I'm assuming, so this is actually the PCB board or something, and yeah, well, let's see how to get access to that. So we can see there is a screw here. Interesting. T6 is not the one. Not too big. Nope. Okay. In that case, okay, so it's a star. I don't know what is a star.